From bean to milk, the art of homemade soya milk. Every great thing starts with a simple ingredient. Here, humble soybeans, golden and full of potential, ready to be transformed into fresh, nourishing milk. Before anything else, we carefully sort the beans. Removing stones, dust, and imperfect beans ensures only the best make it to our milk. Next, we wash them thoroughly. Clean water washes away impurities, leaving our soybeans ready to soak and soften. Now, patience is key. Soaking the beans overnight allows them to swell, soften, and prepare for blending, a quiet transformation in water. We gently rub the beans to remove their skins. This step may seem small, but it removes bitterness and gives the milk a smooth, delicate taste. Once softened, the beans meet water in a blender. Together, they form a creamy, smooth mixture, the foundation of our soya milk. Through a fine cloth, we strain the blended beans, separating the silky milk from the leftover pulp known as okara. Every drop counts, creamy and full of life. Boiling is crucial. It removes the raw taste, kills any harmful elements, and transforms the liquid into wholesome, safe, and delicious milk. Here, we add flavor. A touch of sugar or natural sweetness, a pinch of salt, maybe a hint of vanilla. Stirring gently, we awaken the milk's aroma. And now, the reward. Fresh, creamy soya milk, ready to pour, drink, and enjoy. Smooth, nourishing, and full of natural goodness. From a simple bean to a glass of milk, this is more than a drink. It's patience, care, and nature coming together, ready to nourish your body and soul. Sip slowly, feel the warmth. This is the taste of home, health, and wholesome simplicity. Follow and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy this video, and don't also forget to like and comment.